Have you tried to communicate something to someone and somehow it's just not getting through? And you've done the right thing for the first step. You've led with asking questions. You've gone into a listening mode to see where they're at before delivering what we're trying to deliver. Maybe something MBSE related. Maybe it's just something about they're always late to meetings. I had that trouble time. I was 1 or 2 minutes late for a while, and I needed to fix that up. Fortunately, someone approached me, and that is just drifting. All right. Have you ever tried to communicate something, but it just didn't land? And have you started with the correct first step, where you led with questions? You started listening. You got a feel for where the person's at as far as, is something happening in their life? Are they distracted? But still, something's not quite connected. Well, you started correctly by listening first. But what you may want to try is something called active listening. Now, sometimes I'm guilty of this. I'll listen, but then I'll sort of be waiting for my spot in the conversation to jump in and contribute my bit. I think we've all been in those types of meetings. A lot of people are trying to say something at once, and we're fighting for airtime. Those meetings tend not to be very productive. But if we can go into more active listening, where we're really digesting what they're saying, and then we're not just waiting to talk, we're synthesizing what they're saying with our perspective and really trying to understand their frame of reference. Doing that, even for a couple minutes, will give you a connection there. Then when it is our time to share, we'll be able to couch it in that frame of reference, and we'll understand what the other person is thinking. We'll be able to frame what we have to say in an appropriate way. And ultimately, the goal is two-way communication. So we'll learn, and then we'll also communicate what we need to. So the tip is active listening. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next tip.